If you want to perform factory reset on your Galaxy Tab A11 by using settings, then first of all, of course, we want to open settings on our Galaxy Tab A11. Then we're gonna scroll down and we are looking for the general management in here. There we go. And you should be able to find the reset option. After that, we can find the factory data reset. So let's select it. Of course, we have the summary of everything that will be removed if you decide to erase all the data. So of course, this usually means that you can get rid of everything except for the stuff that you have on your memory card. So hit reset and then confirm that you want to delete everything. And there we go. Of course, in the meantime, you might need to confirm by entering your screen lock password, for example. And that should be it. Of course, once the factory data is done, factory data reset, I mean, is done, then your tablet should restart and you will probably immediately see the first configuration again. And if not, then of course, this just means that the tablet will be powered off, so you'll have to press and hold the power button. But as you can see, it actually reboots into the initial setup. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.